so interesting. Can you see everything? Okay. So guys, we are back with another what, Dad?
Mukbang.
It's supposed to be like a seafood boil. But you know, A for effort, A for effort. So we're back with a seafood boil. We have like lobster claws, like a bunch of little lobster claws. We have 2 king crab. We have some eggs, some corn. We have some mussels. As you can see, we have mussels. And then we also have some rice. See if it was cooked. So you were tasting it. We have some rice to eat it with. We don't have potatoes. So whatever. And then some sauce that I had made. So we are gonna pray, and then we also have sweet tea. I don't think that worked, but we are going to say grace, and then we are gonna get it in.
Freshly squeezed tea.
It's not.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this opportunity to come before you, to break bread in your presence, and we thank you, Father. We thank you for the food. We thank you for the nourishment to the bodies. We thank you for all the blessings. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Sorry if I look this way. My dog is actually over here in this
My
general.
My dog is over here. So
We only have one dog, but he's over here, and he's making noise because he smells food.
fork.
But oh yeah, you should get a fork because I know you like forks. The dip thing.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. The potatoes taste good too. We had some.
Yeah, I didn't make any. I gotta get paper towels. Burb. We don't have potatoes. I had just got home from work and I said, you know, let me just steam this stuff real quick and put it together. So, muffle. Mm. Not so good.
Not very good. Pretty good.
I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking for right now because, like I said, I just got home from work and I'm hungry.
Yeah.
And your girl is hungry.
How your 2019 coming along? Peoples. Hope it's going well.
Yes, hope it is going well.
We always take a tour of the house.
Hmm?
Yeah, show them the house.
Oh yeah, but I was waiting until Mom finished decorating. Cause like she got they call it curtains for like the background where we sit in. A lot of stuff.
That's cool.
Yeah. Make sure you know it's 3 eggs a piece. We over here eat all the eggs. Okay, guys. Here is. Bring it closer for you guys. Here is a lobster claw. Oh. I have the whole thing inside. We can check it out. This thing is in here. I forgot.
Yeah.
They're so tender, not chewy.
rice was good.
He is stuck on the rice. And I wasn't even going. I was just gonna do the rice and the mussels.
You see that bowl? It's Mickey Mouse.
Wow. Tear it up.
Tastes delish.
Tear it up. I put. You mean those calls are good? They're really good. They're very tender. Fat on it.
Like a little claw.
Oh, yeah, we didn't do no thumbnail.
Yeah, we did. Before. I did a shot of everything.
Our face need to be in me. I guess it don't have to be. I just feel like people. I feel face, you know. Food so good, it's bringing tears to my eye. Oh. We got these, the what do you call it? The king crab we got from Costco. Oh, and the lobster tail, right?
Yeah, pretty much everything.
I actually got the mussels from Aldi. They come like frozen in a box, and they come in like a, what is it? A tomato garlic sauce. So inside here there's a sauce, but excuse me, I have the sauce that I made as well. So if you see like juice coming out of this, it's the sauce it came in. Look at him. Sister, what are you doing?
This is so good.
Delicious.
So, our YouTube family, Super Bowl is coming up. Who you got? We think will be in Super Bowl, and who you got?
The Colts. Just kidding. I have no idea who's gonna be in the Super Bowl. Terrible. Who's was it? How many teams are there?
8.
Is 8 more teams?
Okay.
You must not be having a lot of games. The Super Bowl is like, the Super Bowl is like the first week of
February.
Well, so they don't have to have a lot of games in order to get it down to 2.
No.
No? How many?
4.
How many people play in the Super Bowl?
2 teams.
Oh. Because you don't know anything about it. No, my fingers. I did. This part was already. I broke off the part that was like cut.
Oh.
This is just the part that was. Okay, cool. I turn up. You like that rice?
Nice, bro.
No, I ain't saying nothing, cause ooh, chile, my eyes burning. If my lash come off, don't worry about it. I'm trying to glue that back on. Oh. It's like woo! Some good food. So guys, what's y'all New Year's resolution? Did y'all already break it? What is today? The 8th?
9.
The 9th? Y'all already broke those resolutions? Personally, I don't think there's anything wrong with setting goals for yourself and trying to achieve the goals. But I feel like when you call them like New Year's resolutions and you know, make a big deal about it or put so much pressure on it, my eye is like burning. It's tearing. I don't know why. When you put so much pressure on that or whatever, I feel like you're more prone to break it because there's so much pressure on it. Like really and truly, from the 31st to the 1st, so to the New Year is like 1 day. So if you haven't been, you know, preparing yourself to make these changes or whatever, I think this is bound to break. But the good thing about that is, the silver lining is there's 365 days. So if you want to start over every day, you could do that. Hey, guess what? It's a new day.
This is good.
This is busting, guys. Busting. Ain't that right, Jess? Oh no, I lost my muscle. I lost my muscle. Woo! Because I'm eating all the rice.
Still good in the hood.
I have the, what do you call it? Little tomatoes and sauce. Hey, you drank all that?
Mm.
This guy.
She got a tiny bladder.
No, I don't. I have a normal size bladder. Okay.
Quite a bit.
This guy, what the thing? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's so easy to bite those. Okay.
And this one.
No. You gotta finish your leg. I think Grandma eat the
Yeah, because I made them.
lobster.
Oh, I found one. I think I found it. I don't know what this one.
I saw sorry, this thing is a little spicy. I saw dang, what's their name? It's a channel that I watch.
On YouTube?
Yeah, I forget. Dang, I was watching them yesterday. It's like a family, and they did a seafood mac and cheese. Bruh,
So good.
it looked so good. Like it was just, I'm gonna regret that the next day because you know I'm low key lactose intolerant. But let me tell you, that macaroni and cheese, like they did make like the macaroni like it's like a husband and wife, they're like a young couple, and they have 2 little kids. And I know the names of the couple is Naveen and Sheena, but the channel name I don't know. I can't think of it off the top of my head. But they made the mac and cheese separate just in case the kids didn't want like the seafood, and then they had made the seafood in like a separate bowl, especially so that it wouldn't overcook, like you know, in the oven with the mac and cheese. And they put the seafood on top. Oh my god. I'm thinking I want that. I'm thinking we could do that with the extras. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Tomorrow or next time.
Oh yeah, it's not crazy. Oh yeah, thank you. These little bad boys are closed, so we're not eating those.
Alright.
If they're
They
closed,
close their eyes on us.
if they're closed, you're not supposed to eat them. Anyways, thank you guys for sitting with us during another mukbang. We appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the next video.